Hello everybody, how are you? I am Noresh and your teacher here, and I will be teaching you different questions and their answer. So I welcome you on classtheta.com where we will be discussing questions. So let's get on the questions. So our today question is the main difference between a static budget and a flexible budget is that the static budget is option A, constructing using a top-down approach while the flexible budget uses a bottom-up approach. Option B, based on units produced while a flexible budget is based on units sold. Option C, for a signal level of activity while a flexible budget can be adjusted for a different activity level. Option D, used only for selling administrative cost while the flexible budget is used for manufacturing costs. The correct answer of the question is option C, for a signal level of activity while a flexible budget can be adjusted for a different activity level. So that the answer of the question. If you are searching any other question, please visit www.classtheta.com and find on the search section. If you have any question to ask, there an ask section on the right side of the website. Fill the form and I will be answering you as soon as I can. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share, subscribe our channel. Until next question, bye bye.